So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best website to boost your TikTok followers in Ghana. All right, so all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So there's this website called growbettergh.com. You can see on the screen, growbettergh.com. But don't worry, I'm going to be putting a link in the description. So all you need to do is just click on it, right, and it will take you to the website, right? So when you come to the website, this is exactly how it look like, right? And the first thing you need to do is for you to actually create an account. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an account in this website, right? So the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this or sign up right here. Can you see this sign up right here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, you just need to create a username, right? The next thing you need to do is for you to actually put an email, right? Once you put an email, the next thing you need to do is for you to create a password, right? Once you put this password, the next thing you need to do is for you to confirm your password, right? So once you have confirmed your password, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this I'm not a robot. Can you see this I'm not a robot right here? You just need to come and tap on it, right? So once you tap on it, you can see it has been verified, and the next thing you need to do is for you to just click on the sign up and your account will be created. Very simple. But due to because I already have an account, I don't need to go through all those things. I just need to log in to show you guys exactly how to use this website, right? So let me log in. So right here, I've logged in, so if you want to actually boost your TikTok followers in this website, the next thing you need to do is for you to just come and click on this category. Can you see this category right here? You just need to tap on it. So once you tap on this category, the next thing you need to do is for you to go and scroll and look for TikTok services. All right, so let's go. You can see right here, you can see TikTok services Best Buy. You can also see TikTok services followers, like, comment, and others, right? So I like using this TikTok or services followers, likes, and others, but you can also use TikTok services Best Buy and it will also work, right? So you can see this particular one, TikTok services of followers, like this particular one, that's the one I'm going to be using. So I'll just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? You just need to tap on it, right? So I just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can also scroll down and look for a preferable service that you want. But I'm going to be using this first one, TikTok followers normal speed, right? So once you select the service you need, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to description. Can you see this description? And it's important for you to actually read the description before you place an order, that's for you to understand what you are actually purchasing, right? You can see the description, they said start time is instant, which means that once you click on it and you purchase these followers, it will start coming instantly. And also speed rate is 3k per a day, which means that you can actually get 3,000 followers every day. And also refill is 30 days, right? You can refill these followers in next 30 days if it drops, right? So, and also drop rate is 5 to 10%, which means that it will not drop past 10%. And also the link type is profile link. So if you are purchasing followers, you should understand that what you need to put right there is your profile link, not your post link. So if you put your post link, it will not work. So put your profile link, right here. The next thing you need to do is for you to come to this link right here, and you can see this link right here. What you need to do right here is to put your TikTok profile link right here. So, but if you don't know how to actually get your TikTok profile link, I'm going to be showing you guys immediately. So let's go to TikTok. Here guys, I'm on TikTok, so all I need to do is for me to actually just go to my profile. Can you see my profile right here? Then the next thing I need to do is for me to just click on this share profile link. Can you see the share profile link? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will bring you to this place. Then you will see this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link? Then the next thing you need to do is just to tap on it, and the link will be copied instantly, easy peasy. So you just need to go back to Grow Better, right? Just come back right here and paste your link. Very easy. I've pasted the link. The next you need to do is for you to actually put in the amount of followers you want. If you want 1,000 followers, you put 1,000 right here. If you want 1 million followers, put 1 million. If you want 100,000, any amount of followers you want, you just put it right here. I'm going to be putting 100 followers, and you can see right here the charge right here is 10 cedis, right? So if you want to put 1,000, depending on what you want. So after you've inserted the amount of followers you want, the next thing you need to do is for you to just come and click on this submit right here. Can you see this submit? You just need to tap on it, and you can see I've already tapped on it, and you can see right here my order have been received. You can see your order received. Very simple, which means that right now I just need to give it more time, and these followers will start coming into that account. But there is something I want you guys to understand, that these followers is not free, so you actually need to pay money for you to actually get them. So let me show you guys exactly how to fund an account in this platform. All you need to do is for you to come and click on these three lines up here. Can you see these three lines up here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see right here, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund? You just need to tap on the add fund. So once I tap on the add fund, it will bring me to this place where I'm going to be reading this instruction. You can see instruction stated, kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number below. You can see Momo and it's MTN, right? You can also see the name that is on the Momo, right? You just need to go to your app and make transfer to this account number. After you make transfer to this account number, you can see right there they said provide proof of payment screenshot, which is the screenshot with your GrowBeta username, so that your payment will be confirmed. Very simple. So how do you now send this payment proof? All you need to do is for you to come to this place. You can see the route. Click on this link to get directed to our admin contact us. So all you need to do is for you to click on this contact us, and instantly you will see that it will take you to their WhatsApp, right? Also click on this WhatsApp link or WhatsApp icon right here. Can you see this WhatsApp icon? Just tap on it and it will take you to the WhatsApp, and all you need to do is for you to just send them this payment proof, and they're going to help you to complete the payment instantly. Then you just need to come back to the website, then place your order. The first thing you need to do is for you to create an account, and once you create your account, then fund your account by following this step. And after funding your account, then we now make your order. It's very simple, right? Easy peasy. And once you order these followers, immediately it will start counting, and once you start counting, you start getting these followers on your TikTok. So even if you want 1 million followers, you are going to be getting it in this website. All right, so if you love this video, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazdi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. Right, so thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.